When I came in to see Dr. Kim, I had lost 50 pounds. I originally was a size D, and when I came to see him, I was a large B.
Laura came in with complaints of the appearance of her breasts, too droopy, so she wanted to be lifted and filled up.
I looked at his before and after pictures and I said, wow, I want that. He knew exactly what I wanted.
The plan for her was to do a breast augmentation with a full lift.
After he told me that it was something that he could do, I went in to see June, who walked me through every step, and I left here feeling 100% confident that Dr. Kim was going to be my doctor. Silicone versus saline is probably one of the issues that you think about the most when you decide to get a breast augmentation. I chose silicone mainly because of the feeling. I didn't want to have something that didn't feel natural, and out of both options, silicone feels more natural. Going into the surgery, I was so nervous, and what's great about Dr. Kim is his staff. They know how to make you feel comfortable. You don't have a doubt in your mind. You know that he's going to do his job and that you're going to come out looking like a rock star.
Bust that groove.
The full lift leaves what's called an anchor scar. So that's a scar around the areola, up and down, across the bottom. In her case, that was the best option because there was just too much breast tissue to do a smaller type of lift. Anyone who's considering plastic surgery should just have realistic expectations. Almost everyone is very pleased with the results, but there's always a chance for certain complications. So you really want to stay on top of taking good care of them so they can heal as perfectly as possible.
My expectations going into the breast augmentation were perfection, and I'm completely happy with my results. When I didn't have a breast augmentation, I had to worry about the straps on the clothing or what bra to wear, and now I can wear anything, even a strapless dress, and I feel that I have the perfect support and cleavage. When I look at myself in the mirror, I see this perfect breast shape, which just makes me smile. Dr. Kim is really good at making sure that you come in whenever you feel that there's anything that you need to have checked out.
That's great. Scars are fading, huh?
Yeah, what do you think?
She's 5 months after surgery right now and she's doing great. Scars are fading, breasts have healed nice and soft.
I think my favorite part about the post-consultation was how happy Dr. Kim was with his results, and that made me feel even better.
Our goal here is always to try to get the best results possible and at the same time making people feel like they have a place where they can always voice their concerns or complaints.
I've always been a confident person, but I think having a breast augmentation makes you just stand a little bit taller. I feel amazing. I can wear anything I want, and I feel just uber sexy. Best thing I ever did.